Guys, you can smell it. It smells so good. Scotch fries.
Come down when they fall.
Yeah, no clean. I'm gonna see them with
I water not clean, so I come down with some water germs in it and bacteria in the water. And they see the night see we are swim and make nice in there and sitting.
no business about that.
Night if you come, eh?
There's no business about that.
When they, that's why they have some germs and they kill.
Mm-hmm.
And I wonder where they get it from, but you know, so the water when they go in there, and when they mingle with it.
Yeah, they not think about that. So I'm sorry if I do.
Yeah, alright. In a response. Unless somebody go side of them and catch the germs and them too.
Mm-hmm.
No.
I can't eat dumpling, so just dumpling alone.
And then no calming on the foot in it.
I'm ready to eat yam, banana, sweet potato, and then pumpkin, then the dumpling.
After.
The Korean one come any minute now. Mm-hmm. I'm black up. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm feeling man to find you.
Oh. Gravy is still thankful for it.
Some now I want to give you alone though.
I want the meat and the gravy at the same time.
Mm-hmm.
But you see, we must have to buy big meat and something.
Where could they have?
Where could they have? I got tea. We not hungry. So you got some people there and satisfied.
Enough food.
You say hard for one somebody.
I don't want cake eat enough, do you know?
Enough
and chubby.
Yeah. You get some money come make up. Help. So easy me get off the Javan. But one way they take it faster.
So I buy for man and dead man.
I guess I know. Go past myself to my mama.
Buy for man and put it in here. Well, I'm married yet.
Married, yeah. Go on.
Yeah man guys, so see river here, they're the same way. Look like rainfall back up St. Mary's side and all that. Because all the river they come into this river and then it goes straight to Flatbridge because the river you guys are the real Cobra. So this gets straight to Flatbridge. Yeah man. Yeah man, yeah days. Welcome back to the channel. Thanks to all who have clicked on the video man, leave a like and all that. Enough respect for the support. Wanna see already what I go on already. Chicken is seasoned up, right? And it can do with dumpling. So I bring you along the journey and show you what I go on, you see me? Yeah man. So follow me Instagram guys, Jeff876 and Yata Adventures. You see me? Because I always post a snippet on IG of what I go on. So open by IG we see what I go on before we post on YouTube, you see me? So just do right man and continue showing support. So no respect, you see me? Chicken seat no ma'am. Say broad in there.
Yeah, no brother, funny.
Oh, so that's sugar.
I go put him on the fire when me done. And then come out and so I'm not cook it.
Come hungry.
Who no cook it, sister? Big sister, who no cook it? Who no cook it? Have to wait.
See, I make sure you cook it till you come.
Yep.
Come and get it.
I'm going to eat. This is for cook alone. This is for cook alone. Master had to eat. Some flour in my yard there. Master there. Put on the flour, you know. Put on the flour, tell.
You love it?
I love a flour.
Ready rice and dumpling, you know? Ready rice and dumpling?
I see me to you know. Usually get rice.
Catch it for yourself. That bun out, you know?
That is a bonus.
sugar in a pot now. You know?
And that's it. Oh, okay.
Yeah, she be high school. We have to 1:30.
Oh,
Looking good, looking good.
looking fine, looking fine.
Like color, man.
The color is pretty and the picture is pretty.
Mm.
Can cook. Water, cranberry water, they come splash water.
I'll let me juice and then juice.
Says here she's funded him with over half a dozen bail bonds contracts for
No, I should mind.
We see if all done now.
Take you look tidy. And you're broke.
We see them cook now.
I take off your can.
Yeah?
Yeah, man, yeah, and see big pot I got on fire for dumpling.
You want to cover pot for the fire?
You not see the pot come.
I want to want to can cover sitting go belong in our house.
Let me ask you.
See that, guys? Caramel dumpling, that, you know? Yeah, man, I need the flour now.
Where you go wash it, Emina?
Yeah.
You wash it in a small pot, Kevin?
See if I
I want to
What's
make a wash.
Water soon start boil up, you know? See that, guys? Nice big dough.
Big and nice.
Enough dumpling that.
I'm going to leave everything this evening.
Yeah, watch plate, boy.
Do you want to talk to you?
Yeah? You ain't come. Guys, battery dead. Right now I'm dead home. Because I actually never planned to do a video today. I just go down there and could resist doing a video. So I'm ready to complete this vlog. I'm going to make some cashew juice. So my ginger here, guys. Yeah, I'm going to cashew them. So I'm pick up the seed, get them mash up and blend them. And now see the seed them because I want to roast some cashew and show you how we do it here in Jamaica. You see me? So let's do this, guys. Let's blend some cashew. Yeah, man, guys. So see cashew seed them here from up so far. Throw in ginger first. Because ginger tougher than everything, you know. Cashew blend now, guys, you know. And not blend too much because you don't want to give a trouble for strain. Yeah, man, guys, so inside, you know, the cashew and the ginger. Only thing is one now, add some sugar in it and put it in the fridge and give it a few minutes and enjoy. Yeah, man, guys, right here, so at the end of the video. Right now, I'm hot, I want to beat it because I smell like a smoke. Yeah, man, really smoky. So, enough respect to all who watch the video them and I appreciate the love and the support. Yeah. So, make sure you like the video and comment below. Yeah, man, leave a comment and subscribe if you're new to the channel. And click the bell, put it on all and follow me on Instagram, Jeff876 and Yasta Adventures. Yeah, man. So, guys, I'll catch you in our next video. Look more. Yeah, man, guys, my mother go out here. Then thief his mother. Him alone me have left. I say I go still. Man, they don't want to work. All they want to do is just see a plant or something them or see a turtle animal them and then they go take it from you. Him alone me have left.